Use Tickertape and ActivInspire to create scrolling text on your front of class display. You can use Tickertape to issue reminders to your students, provide directions for what to do once they complete a task, add key vocabulary, concepts, and more. Let's take it from the top. To access the Tickertape, you can start by going to the Tools icon on your main toolbar, or go to Tools, select More Tools, and choose Tickertape. When the Tickertape dialog box opens, you have several options. First, enter your message. You can then customize your font type, style, and size, and decide where on the screen you would like to have the message appear, at the top, middle, or bottom. You'll notice with these icons, you can also save Tickertapes that you might like to return to and use again, and also access previously saved Tickertape messages. Once you've made your selections, click OK. And the Tickertape controller will stay visible on your screen, allowing you to adjust the speed with the slider, and pause or resume the message. And by selecting this ellipsis, you can always return to the Tickertape menu.